on the shorts. Hello, Sir Steve. Thanks for joining. Good morning. Welcome, welcome, Sir Steve. Wow. That was so high. You're very good catcher, yeah? Give me the ball back, my love. Thank you. One, two, three, go. Wow. Where are you going, my love? Thank you so much. I hit your like button. Okay. Thanks for the likes. I found your channel yesterday. Oh, really? That was yesterday. Thank you. Here. Go. Run. Thank you so much, Sir Steve, for your support. You moved it. Okay, very good. Catch it, ha? Make sure you catch it. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Very good. You're doing fantastic, my love. I had a roti called Bossy. He died. Oh. OMG. So bad, yeah. Sorry to hear that. Oh my god, I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do if it will happen to my dog. I really love my dog. How old is your dog? 6 years. Last April. 6 years. She was born on 2018. Sorry. How old is your dog before died? How old is your dog before get died? Give me the ball. Thank you. Oh my god, it's dirty now already.